Now let's use the image we previously created and run it on the Kubernetes. To create a pod or replication controller, you have to use either JSON file or YAML file. I have one for the HTTPD. Replication controller name is my HTTPD v1, and the replicas is 3. Replica means the number of instance that I want to run, and in this replication controller I want to use the HTTPD v1, the Docker image. And here the selector. Select is very important. That's how the service talk to the replication controller. Show you here. This is for the service. The name and the selector here. It should be exactly the same as what we defined in the replication controller. Node port. Node port is the port we map to the Kubernetes host, which is reachable from the outside. So here we use 31,000. Before we create, we have a look what's the current path. Nothing there. And let's check the website. Yep, of course, nothing there. Create dash. Let's create the replication controller first. Then have another look of the pod. See, now it's become 3 pods, which means 3 instances running behind the service. Let's create a service. This is just a warning. It tells you the port 31,000 can be accessed from the outside. See, the site is up. It's a simple website. This is a photo of my dog Griffin at his 9 weeks. Also, I wrote a script here to monitor the number and the change of each instance. It just pulled image from each instance and generate a new one. Here we got 3 pictures here. Each picture means 1 instance. See, now we think 3 instances is not enough. We want to scale up to 6. In Kubernetes, it's easy and quick. Scale. Tell the name, replication controller name is my HTTPD v1. Now it's become 6. Let's have a look at the pod. Now it's become 6 pod here. So what if I want to scale down? I just give it smaller number. So it's down to 3 instances. So this URL is the service to the service. So each request to this website could be served by different instance, one of the 3. So this is how we do scale up and scale down. And what if we got a new version of the website? We want to do a new release. In Kubernetes, we can do rolling update. Rolling update means we update instance one by one. We created new instance and delete one of the old instance, then do the next. I have the file for the version 2 here. So here I call it replication controller version 2, and also I want to use 3 instances, and importantly I keep the same name of the selector, so you don't have to make any change in the service, because service is always the same. That's where the outside to access the website, but in the backend, that's where the changes happen. In the version 2, I'm going to use the Docker image HTTPD version 2, so there will be a new content of the website. It's just a copy and paste. It's easy. So rolling update, a current replication controller, and this is the definition of the newer replication controller version 2, and I want to do the upgrade. I want to do the rolling update for each instance every 5 seconds. So what it does is it create a new instance and delete one of the old instance, then do the next. Now one of the new instances is up. This is a picture of Griffin at his 9 months. So one of the older one is gone. Now it's creating the second new instance. Because in my monitoring script, it only pull the image every 10 seconds. So in the monitoring, it might be some delay here. Now it's all done. There are 3 new instances with new web content. Let's go back to the service page and refresh it. Now the whole website has been updated with the new content. So what if something wrong with my new version? I want to roll back. It's basically another rolling update. The difference is I want to rolling update from version 2 to version 1. So one of the old instance is back. One of the old one is gone. Okay, the second is back. Okay, last one. All down here. So the page should be refreshed soon. Okay. All three old instances are back. Let's go back to the service page. Yep, it's back. That's the old website. Yep, that's how we do the scale up, scale down rolling updates in Kubernetes.